Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are thrilled to highlight a video by none other than the incredible Stylist by Devante, celebrity hairstylist extraordinaire. If you haven't heard of Devante, you are in for a treat. This guy is a creative force to be reckoned with. He's the mastermind behind some of the most iconic looks in the entertainment industry. From Cardi B to Amber P. Riley, Carrie Champion, and even two-time Oscar winner Ruth Carter. And let me tell you, his latest video is no exception to his impeccable talent. So in this video, Devante showcases the installation process of our premium deep wave hair bundles from Sajje Hair Collection. He flawlessly blends our model's leave out to create a seamless and natural looking finish that will leave you speechless. But that's not all. Devante takes it to the next level with a few finishing touches that will make your hair shine like never before. He uses a deeper than hair serum to add a glossy sheen to the hair, and then he finishes it off with some holding mousse from the dew. We'll be sure to link all the products in each of their respective channels in the description below, so you can get your hands on them and try them out for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Be sure to follow Stylist by Devante on his channel and stay updated on his latest videos and hairstyling tips. His wigs are incredible. And don't forget to let us know what you think of the installation process in the comments below. Oh, and of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Sajje Hair Collection. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.